Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create photo collage using Photoshop mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you have to open your Photoshop application on your mobile phone, and after that you can click on this icon, this collage icon, then choose some photos you want to make it as a photo collage. I'm just going to pick random photo just for an example. Okay, and then once we're done choosing the photo, we can click on this icon, this arrow icon, and then here you can customize your photo collage. You can change the aspect ratio, you can change the layout, and it's up to you. You can customize it as you like. And for instance, I'm going to customize the borders. I'm going to change the thickness of the outer border. I'm going to increase the thickness. Okay, once you're done, you just need to click on this icon to save the photo to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can create photo collage using Photoshop mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.